Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well, and today's video is going to be about how to create your own meditation room. Before we get into the video, please like and subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to get new video updates. If you like this video content, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Share with your friends who are in need of these kind of videos. Now let's get right into the video. How to create your own meditation room. We live in a less spaced apartment or home in a city. We will think of meditating for a long time, but we will not be able to do. To create a meditating vibe in your small compartment, creating your own meditating room is a great idea. 1. A feel-good space. If there is less space in your apartment or home, you can choose to draw a beautiful colored curtain or sit on an elegant floor carpet. A single element that you can associate with the meditation can alone make the whole space better and bring alertness. 2. Notice the lighting. Create natural light, diffused lights or simply candles. This preference depends on personal choices while creating a Zen space at home. Try this meditation room idea and you will realize how important it is to adjust lighting accordingly. 3. Cleanliness is must. If you have things around, it is necessary that it remains clean and dust-free. With that, they must also be organized neatly. After all, it's a place to relax and declutter your mind. 4. Add natural elements. Adding natural elements in the room like positive energy plants, water bowls or fresh flowers itself sounds peaceful. This will help you to connect with nature inside your small room. 5. Don't forget the aroma. Try using essential oils in a diffuser. Oils like lavender, peppermint and rosemary are some of the best oils you can try. It is because aromatherapy acts as a potent method to reduce stress, relieving muscle tension, and improving the overall immune system. 6. Decoration and color. Room color affects your mood, and is something you must consider. As far as decoration is concerned, a minimalist approach with few plants, aromatherapy essentials, a statue of Buddha, and cushions are recommended. 7. Noise-free. You can try to create a meditation room away from the roads, or keep the room closed to minimize the disturbance. Even if that doesn't work, you can try meditation music via meditation apps and focus on them. 8. Free from gadgets and devices. If you carry major distractions like a mobile phone, laptop, or any another device inside, you will not be able to fulfill your goal even after preparing a space for meditation. This time meant for relaxation must stay free from popping messages, ringing calls, and notifications. These are some of the proven methods to set up your meditation room. If you have some different ideas regarding meditation room setup, please share with us in the comment below. Others can even find useful ways from your views. Thanks for watching.